Day 3 of me running to get fit. Right, yesterday I managed to do nearly 5k. Day before I did 3.8. Slow, but I managed it. Let's see how we get on today. Right, so basically, don't listen to that because one of the managers rang me and I had to answer it. So I was on the phone for about 5 minutes and I didn't stop my watch. How stupid. Let's get back to it then. Right, just done 2k on the second kilometre. Like I said before, when that manager rang, I just messed up my time. I'm going to try and bring it back because I didn't pause it. So yesterday and the day before, first day, I come up this bridge, up these steps and headed up there. You can't really run up there, so you've got to walk it. It's all for like routes. And then yesterday I come from down there. It's a little path across that field we've just been in, up onto the main road. And today we're just going back the same way we've come, because I know it's not that hilly, and that just sounds good to me today. Right, I'm on 3.13k, 23 minutes 37 seconds. I'm going to have to work out how long I was on the phone for, because I was just stood still. A rolling kilometre pace is 7:06, and the average pace is 7:32. But I did start off quite fast. Well, not fast, but fast for me. It was like in the fives. So let's see what we can finish up on. Yeah, look at this spot here. When I was a kid, me and my mates, it's a pretty chilled spot down by the river. All these stones here, someone made it. I don't know. Is it so fish can swim up it? I don't know. There was like loads of stones going up. What we used to do is just turn around and block the river off. I thought it was hilarious. Obviously, one day we come back, this guy was there. He was alright with bollocking. Yeah, a little bit about my childhood history there for you. Find this best place to run, honestly. It's down by the river. You see birds tweeting. It's just nice, isn't it? Right, I'm currently on 3.87k. It's probably going to be about 4.6 by the time I get back. So let's get out of these woods and let's push it to the end. Honestly, I'm absolutely goosed right now. This is day 3, not 2. Day 3, running every day. and my calves are killing. And yesterday I decided after my run I'd go for a walk up a massive hill. This is Rivy Pike. So if anyone who knows, when you get to the top of there, up them steps, that's a killer. You gotta sit down for a bit. Let's get to the end. This is rest of the partner and I'm done. Right, I'm finished. The finishing line is at bin, always. I've done 34 minutes, 38 seconds, and I've done 4.67 kilometres. Now, I did stop, so the average pace is worse than yesterday. Obviously, I'm not here to beat it every day. But, that being said, I did have a phone call from a manager when I was down the woods, maybe like just over a kilometre in. So I had to stop and I had to take that phone call. I don't know how long it's for, but I would guess in about 3 or 4 minutes. So that's added on to my time. So it's not that bad. I've got my shoes on today, which are like max cushioning, which has really helped my feet and my legs even, because my calves are killing. So anyway, these are the craps. Yeah. Right. This is going to be the end of day 3. Keep doing that. Day 2. That's not day 3. I'm going to have a day off tomorrow because I don't want to injure myself. And I've read quite a bit where if you train too much, especially as a beginner, you might pull some muscles, and that's what I did last year. So I don't really want to do that. So I'll have a day off tomorrow to make sure I get a lot of protein in me to recover the muscles, and I'm going to get some carbs in me, get some nice pasta in me, something like that. Alright, adios. Day 4 on. There we're on. Day 4 Thursday. See you then.